10 young chefs battle out in round 1 of 11th IIHM Young Chef Olympiad at Bangalore. 10 young chef Olympians from 10 different countries of the world participated in the round 1 of the 11th IIHM International Young Chef Olympiad in the Bangalore campus of the International Institute of Hotel Management.
Having more than 50 countries who are actually coming, who have already come to India. We had a very grand opening ceremony on the 2nd of this month at Goa, which took place, after which the countries, in fact, which was being divided into different groups of 10 each, had traveled to cities like Pune, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Delhi and Goa itself, where the round 1 of the competition took place. I'm very honored and privileged to let you all know that we have just completed very successfully the round 1 competition today at Bangalore at our campus here at Indiranagar, which has been hosting the countries now for the last, you can say, about 11 years. And very successfully. We had a very enigmatic United World of Young Chefs program which took place yesterday, which happened at the Brigade Signature Club, where all the 10 countries who had come here for the contest, right, they went ahead and had their national dishes prepared. So we had an absolutely lovely audience, and there was a lot of food, not just from their own nationalities, where they projected their nationalities and taught us, but also as Indians, we were also able to go ahead and project our Karnataka food, Karnataka coffee, and also our Indian food to the world. So this is a beautiful way of coming together on the love of food. And again, now the countries are going to be all traveling from different cities, including Bangalore to Calcutta, where the finale, the grand finale, is going to be taking place on the 8th of this month. Wishing the very best to our country and definitely all the countries over here for an absolutely successful IIHM Young Chef Olympiad 2025. And the theme of this year again happens to be AI in hospitality, where intelligent hospitality is something which is very important for us, for all the Olympians, because they're all Olympians, they're all youth who are coming together for the love of food, and we definitely want to wish them all the best. Thank you very much.
Well, this was a very, very nice thing to happen, where at Bangalore we have 10 different countries coming at IIHM and participating together for winning one. And it is not a nationality or a color. I think it is their skill what makes them win, and the zeal for competition. So I was judging, when I was judging this, and I saw everything was good. Everybody was doing from their heart. Like they say, cooking is an art which comes from heart. It is about heart. It is about their education. It is about their cultures which they get into India, especially Bangalore. And Bangalore is also rehearsing with our people, watching what is happening. It is a brilliant platform for the world to see that Bangalore is no less, and we are having a competition with IIHM. Tumba Jana India, and I wish you the best. I live in Bangalore for the last 25 years, and I am a restaurant consultant and a chef.